Hello friends, this is Parama. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you 7 ways to draw a perfect circle. Let's draw with me. First trick. If you want a small circle, place your middle finger by the lid and then firmly on the paper. Then slowly turn the paper around. Hold your hand very still but keep your pencil a little easy and flexible for making a circle softly without damaging the paper. If you want a slightly bigger circle, use 2 fingers as like this. For a bigger one, use 3 fingers and place the pinky fingers down on the paper, like this. Second trick. Use pinky fingers bottom side firmly on the paper and make a circle like this. Third trick. Take 2 pencils, one is bigger than another one. Hold these 2 pencils like chopsticks. Put a smaller one on the paper and hold a bigger one softly for making a circle. For making a small circle, keep it closer, like this. If you want to make a little bigger circle, spread the bigger pencil a little bit and draw like this. For a bigger one, spread the pencil more, as bigger circle as you want. Fourth trick. Draw a square box. Here I am drawing 4 by 4 inch box. After drawing the square box, mark the middle of all lines, that means 2 inch. Then create a circle like this by touching those 4 points of the box. Fifth trick. Take any kind of round object and draw a circle. Then try to override the circle for practice. You can draw anti-clockwise or clockwise, whatever is suitable for you. It will help you to draw circle in freehand. Sixth trick. This is the real artistic technique. Hold the pencil smoothly and start making circles on the paper. Move the whole arm from the shoulder. I am drawing many lines. Take a single line from those and erase all extra lines. 7th trick. Now the final one. Hold a pencil on the paper and make a couple of circle movements without touching the paper. Then start lightly with an even pace. This is how you can practice freehand circle drawing. It will make your hand more flexible and confident for freehand drawing. If this video is helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to watch the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.